and today I'm with my massi.
And we are doing a food challenge video today.
Wait a minute.
Hi guys, so I'm doing a prank video with me today and he has no clue that I'm gonna prank him. So this is the first time I'm gonna prank him, and I told him that we are doing a food challenge. And he's just outside my room and he's listening to what I'm saying. Veer! अंदर जा. Veer! I can still see you. I am gonna mix some hot sauce in the ice cream. He's just outside my room and I don't know if he can hear me or not. So I think let's better start with the challenge now. This is the ice cream I got and I'm gonna put some red chili sauce in it. So guys, I've just added some of the red chili sauce in it. I hope he doesn't see any red sauce coming out from it.
So we have got yogurt and some garlic bread, and in the end we'll have some ice cream, and let's see who finished these all first.
Let's see who wins this challenge.
So let's start?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with the challenge. So first we are gonna start with this yogurt. So let's see who finished this first. You want the strawberry one? Yours is half finished? Oh my god.
You got done.
Oh no! There's still one spoon left. So guys, Veer is done with the yogurt. See, he's done with the yogurt. So you get 1 point now. And I'm still left with some.
So I will eat the garlic now.
Let's see. We'll finish off these garlic bread first. You want some sauce? No. Okay guys, so Veer is finished with the first. I'm gonna start with another one.
The cheese is still on.
No. I'll start with the second one as well. Hey, hurry up! Three. I'm gonna win.
The tasty chicken is my trauma.
No. No.
Let's see.
Who got sit first?
I'll go.
You have to finish that off.
What is this?
So guys, I finished with the garlic bread and Veer is still eating it, so I get 1 point. So we have a tie here. And now, let's have ice cream!
Guys, I will win this round and win the challenge. There's no you can touch. Sorry.
So guys, I got the ice cream now. That's our final round. So that's a tiebreaker. So let's have ice cream. How is it, babe?
Vanilla.
Is it good?
No. It looks like ketchup.
Ketchup?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Maybe strawberry.
It's ketchup only.
It's ketchup.
See that red dot?
It's strawberry.
It's spicy.
Oh, no, 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 no.
It's spicy?
What? See, it's red.
No, it's not spicy.
Tom spicy. Worst ice cream I ever had.
Most ice cream you ever had?
Oh,
It's okay, it's okay.
the tomato.
Wait, take a big bite. Yeah, it's okay. What?
I'm winning.
It's okay. Is it hot?
Cold.
It's cold?
It's been cold.
Wait, are you good?
I will win.
Wait, stop eating it.
Why?
Because it was not a food challenge.
Wait a minute.
It was a prank challenge.
Really, nigga?
I pranked you, man.
That's why you take with capsicum, the garlic bread.
No. That's why I put some hot sauce in your ice cream.
And yours?
It's good. You wanna have
Mm.
it? Do you feel something spicy in your mouth?
Yes.
Yeah? Too spicy? Oh. So we'll just end the video here. We just got pranked. Wait, how do you feel now?
Nice.
Nice? Who says that, be nice? If you like the video, hit the like button. Please say it.
Please share and subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you next Friday.
Bye.
Bye.